Welcome to online class. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you are well at home and safe. Here in this video, I will tell you about chapter 3rd of class 6 English 2nd. The name of the chapter is Formation of Interrogative. In this chapter, we will learn about interrogative sentence, its type, and how we make or how we transform an interrogative sentence from a affirmative sentence and so others. So without any delay, let's see. First we see the definition of interrogative, then its kind, and then transformation. It means how to change a declarative sentence into a interrogative sentence with examples. So let's begin. Here I have written the definition of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are used to ask question. This is very common to all of you. In your previous classes, you have also studied about the interrogative sentence, those sentences which we use to ask question or to get information. These are such sentences which we ask to get some information from ideas, or you can say the sentence which are used to ask questions to get information. That type of sentences are called interrogative sentence. And as you know, every interrogative sentence ends with question mark. This is a question mark which we put at the end of the sentence. And now let's see what is its type. First we see the example, that is interrogative sentence. Suppose example, are you reading? Are you reading? This is a interrogative sentence which begin with the helping verb and there is a question mark at the ending. So this is a interrogative sentence. Or let's see another example. Where are you going? This is also a interrogative sentence which begin with question word, and here it begin with helping verb. So on the basis of example, we can say that interrogative sentences are generally of two types. First, which begin with helping verb, which has the answer yes or no, or we can say the first type is yes no answer type, and the second is WH. So let's write the types of interrogative sentence now. Interrogative sentence which is divided into two parts. Let's see. First, that we call as yes no answer type. Answer type question. First, that is yes no answer type question. This is the first type of interrogative sentence, and the second is, that is WH question. This is the number 2. First yes no answer type and second is WH questions. And these are two type of interrogative sentence. Let's see with the examples. First is yes no answer type, that is such questions or such sentences which has answer in yes or no. For example, let's see the example as I have given before. Are you reading? For this question, we have to write the answer, that is, if you are writing answer of this question, it will be yes or no. It means those sentences which gives answer in yes or no, such sentences, or you can say such interrogative sentences, are called yes no answer type interrogative sentence, or you can say question. It has yes no and it begins with helping verb. So in this way we can say first point, main point of this sentence is it begins with helping verb. Helping. First, the main point of this is it begins with helping verb, and second, that is it has or it gives answer. It has answer in yes or no. It has answer in yes or no. It means the such question which has the answer yes or no, that is called yes no answer type, and it always begins with the helping verb, and there are so many kinds of helping verb. Let's see one by one. Helping verb such as helping verb, that is first one is be verb. Be, in which is, am, are, was, were. These words come in be verb. Second, first is be verb. Second, that is do, in which do, does and did. These words come in do verb. The third is had, and in this has, had and had. These are the main helping verbs. Beside this, there are will, shall, can, could, may, might. These may come in these sentences. Now let's see the second type, that is WH question type. WH question types begin with the question word that which begins with WH, that is what, when, where, how, whom, etc. It means it has WH word, and this questions gives answer in detail. It is long answer type questions. It doesn't have yes no type in short answer. This have detailed answer. This gives detailed answers. So these are the two main type of interrogative sentence. First one is yes no answer type, and the second is WH questions. So I hope you have understood. Now let's see transformation of interrogative. The name is formation of interrogative. Formation means to change the sentence into interrogative, or we can say also the transformation of sentences. Now let's see, formation and the transformation is the same things. Here first we see formation of declarative into interrogative sentence. It means our sentence is in declarative form and we have to change into interrogative form. So let's see the first rules of changing or transformation the declarative sentence into interrogative is: first, yes no answer type question begins with helping verb. As I have told you before, that first is, if our sentence is in declarative form and we have to change it into interrogative, then just we put the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence and it will convert into interrogative. For example, let's see with the example that is she has left. This is a statement. This sentence is a statement, or you can say a declarative sentence. This is a declarative. This is a declarative sentence, and we have to change this into interrogative. And as our rules say, yes, no answer type question begins with helping verb. Here, C is a subject. Has is a helping verb and left is a main verb. That is main verb. Here there is no object in this sentence and we have just put the helping verb at the beginning and it will change into interrogative form. So it will be has she left and we have put question mark at the ending and this sentence changed into interrogative. I hope you have understood how to change a declarative sentence into a interrogative. By putting the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, we can change a declarative statement into a interrogative statement. Now, let's see another example. Let's see another example, that is example 2. This is example 2. She can make cookies. She can make cookies. This is a declarative sentence. You can write your declarative. And we have to change this into interrogative, as here this is a subject, helping verb, make, that is main verb, and cookies is a object in this sentence. To change this sentence into interrogative, we have to just rearrange. You can say just rearrange the sentence helping verb at the beginning and put the subject after the helping verb. We can change a interrogative sentence in declarative sentence into a interrogative. This declarative sentence is also called as a affirmative sentence, a positive sentence, or a assertive sentence. So don't get confused. Declarative means the same, that is a affirmative or assertive. Assertive has two parts, positive and negative. But here we are learning about positive sentence. So this, to change this sentence into interrogative, we just put can at the beginning. Can she make cookies? And our sentence change into question form, that is interrogative form. Interrogative form. In this way we can change our sentences from declarative to interrogative, or you can say from assertive to interrogative or statement to interrogative. In the same way, if our sentence is in negative form, we have to just put the negative word after the subject. Let's say, so in this way we have learned, today we have learned about transformation of interrogative. And now I will give you home assignment. So note down the home assignment. Your today's home assignment is Your today's home assignment is first, that is writing wall, that is write the definition of interrogative in your copy, that is in this copy, or you can say peer copy. Second, you have to learn the definitions. Definition, its kind and its rules. So, we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye students.